what is the role of sort of identity building within the academic realm?
There is a component, obviously, for everybody, but there are different ways of using Jewish studies for identity building. The vast majority of our students are ethnic Poles of Catholic origin. I don't know whether today they are Catholics, I mean, practicing, coming to church, and if religion is still important element of their identities, but obviously they come from Catholic families. And for those people, Jewish studies is more an expression of dissatisfaction with the dominant Polish culture, so-called national culture, which is strongly dominated by quite an ugly aspect of Catholic culture, which is xenophobic, which is strongly anti-Semitic, which is ethnocentric in more general categories, and people are dissatisfied with this. Jewish studies is a way of looking on Poland, on Polishness in much extended category, because for our students and like for me, Jews are Poles also. They are from here and of Poland. They were in Poland, of Poland, they were part of this community, right? Much extended. And if so, the Polishness doesn't have to be the way that people from the extreme right, from the national and xenophobic circles try to portray it. And in this sense, the studying Jewish history and Jewish culture, Jewish studies in general, is element of this identity building, just expanding category of Polishness. There is a small group of people who say they are of Jewish origin, which is different than being Jewish, please note. Or simply they are Jewish, or, that's the most interesting category, they suspect of being Jewish. Which means, that's funny story, I know so little about my grandfather or grandmother that he must have been Jewish. Which means that possibly they suspect grandmother or grandfather was hiding behind Aryan papers during the Holocaust, and never, after the Holocaust, never revealed his or her identity, which is a very typical, actually, pattern. The communist time was not a great time to reveal Jewishness, so many people still pretended, they still lived on their Aryan papers after the Holocaust. And some of those never revealed it to their children and grandchildren. And it's only second or third generation they are trying to investigate. I think it's not only those families, but existence of those families for much wider circles of Poles, of those who have spotless heritage, good jiches, Polish and Catholic. It's important to realize that you never know. And they are becoming aware of the fact that Polish community is not so homogeneous and not so mono-ethnic and mono-religious and monocultural as it would seem on the first sight. So in this sense, there are many, many more people suspecting some possible Jewish elements. Oh, spring has come, right? Then this is actual phenomenon. But I think that's something that is critical for identity of our students, and these Jewish studies play an extremely important role in this. There's also a category of people for whom studying Jewish studies is part of their Catholic identity, which is connected with Second Vatican Council and with rebuilding Catholic identity. They don't want Catholics to be exclusive. They want to understand Jewishness of Jesus, Jewishness of apostles, Jewishness of early church, and they want to understand how those who didn't become Christians but were fellows of Jesus or apostles, how they developed. And that's interest in Jewish culture. One of our students told me once that he's interested in alternative path of Jewishness, of Christianity, sorry. The Jewishness was kind of alternative path. So the Jewish culture was developing into different ways. One of those is Christianity and one of those is Jewishness. This is interesting because they are also interested in aspects of contemporary Jewish life, of secular Jewish life, not only in the Bible, And usually they come with interest in the Bible, of course, but it goes much wider. So that's another identity building element, but quite surprising direction, I would say. So obviously for everybody, the Jewish studies is identity building element, but it might be in very different areas.